Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave.
Hey girlfriend, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are new here, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss an upload from me. And if you are a long-time girlfriend, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today we'll be doing another clean with me, and in this one I'm mainly going to be focusing on some areas upstairs. I'll be folding some laundry, and I'll also be sharing a crock pot recipe, so make sure you stick around for that. My house wasn't too bad, but collaborating on some work projects put me behind on some laundry. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're going to be doing in this weekly clean with me. So right now I'm just going to take off the bedding off my baby girl's bed and place it in the washing machine, and then I'm going to take her second bedding set and place it on her bed.
I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a
I do want to apologize for not having a video out this past Monday. I decided to take YouTube's suggestion on when I should upload weekly videos, and it suggested that I should upload my videos on Fridays at 1, but I really would love to know, when would you like me to upload my weekly videos?
losing your patience. I already have.
So I have no problem starting laundry, but I do have a problem with finishing it, especially if I try to do all my laundry on one day. So what I have found that works best for me is to do one room a day. On Mondays I do my son's, on Tuesdays I do my daughter's, Wednesdays I do my master bedroom, Thursdays I do our bathrooms, and then on Fridays I do all the laundry that's on our main floor. And choosing to tackle laundry for one space in my home has guaranteed me not to have any laundry to do on the weekend, which has helped me so much. So if you're looking for a laundry schedule that is better functionally for you, I suggest trying this one, and if you do, let me know in the comments how it worked out for you.
Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close.
If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know that this past weekend I finished my daughter's room, and what I love most about it is how much she loves it. But I also asked you guys for some suggestions on some things that I should either add or take away, and you guys, your suggestions have helped this room look even better than what it is right now. But thank you guys so much for responding and making her room even more special.
I got my friends when I'm on my own, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own, calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. Calling us friends, calling us friends. Oh baby.
If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, hey girlfriend, my name is Sherrell, and I love to make content that helps motivate and inspire you to tackle your to-do list. I share cleaning videos, organization, home decor, and all kinds of fun stuff over here. Our community is super positive and so uplifting, and that is one of the things that I love so much about it. If you are interested in any of the stuff that I mentioned and enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video.
Let's from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na.
I don't know what it is, but as soon as I tackle one thing that I wanted to accomplish, I get a boost of cleaning motivation. In my daughter's room, I just wanted to make up her bed, vacuum her floors, because we still had the rest of the day, and I knew that she was going to be in there playing, so I didn't see the point of giving it a deep clean by dusting her furniture and wiping things off. And also knew that this past Saturday that I was going to be in her bedroom transforming it. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of this last load of laundry that is in her room, which is one of the things that I love about tackling a room a day. I end up doing up to 2 to 3 loads of laundry. So next I'm going to go upstairs and tackle my kids' bathroom.
You're my only desire. Yeah. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. Feel the rising heat, feel the moving beat. I know what you need. Singing oh na na, oh na na. Dancing in the sun.
So on this particular day, it snowed, and I just love the look of snow. I love watching snow. I love watching snow with my kids and going outside and just enjoying it. But I do not like driving in snow. I just don't like it at all. But I wanted to make sure that I gave myself the opportunity to enjoy the snow because we knew it was not going to last long, and I knew I still had laundry to catch up on, so I'm going to make an easy crock pot recipe, and it's called orange barbecue chicken. And I like to serve this with a side of vegetables, and this is a meal that my family actually likes. But what I love most about this recipe is the fact that you add cherries to your sauce, and the tartness and the sweetness of the cherries, it just takes this chicken to a whole nother level.
Dance in slow motion, my eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion, just pick your poison. Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move my way, you're close enough. So I say, can't take my eyes on you. You were all I see. Can't take my eyes on you. You know what I mean.
So to make this recipe, what you do first is you season your chicken with salt and pepper, and you allow that to broil in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. While that's in the oven, what I like to do is prepare my sauce, and so I just like to add my barbecue sauce, a splash of orange juice, and a can of your cherry pie filling. Once that is all in your bowl, you're going to season it with salt and pepper and mix well. Once you mix that well, then what I like to do is pour that sauce into my crock pot and then place my chicken in the crock pot. I like to cook this on high for 3 hours, and I love the service with a side of vegetables. And when I tell you, this is so good, it is so good.
Look away, but I can't stop. Am I a freak to you? We almost touch. I feel your body move.
So if you're interested in making this easy crock pot barbecue chicken, I'm going to leave this in my description box below. And so while my chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and tackle my kitchen since I made a little bit of a mess, and I'm actually more of a cook and clean type of person because I just do not like to have a lot of dishes by the end of the night to wash.
You are all I see. Can't take my eyes off you. Take my eyes off you.
alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. Life is so bittersweet, let me put your mind at ease. Trust me, I'll take the lead, cause I wanna ride with you. Just give in to the fire, cause I'ma take you higher. You're my only desire, yeah. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. Feel the rising heat.
So now that I tackle my kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my dining room table. However, when I was wiping down my dining room table, I did notice that one of my kids was really enjoying their lunch and left a little bit of a mess on their chair. So I'm just going to wipe that down. It's one of the reasons why I love slip covers so much.
If you come with me tonight, say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
Watching this video while editing, I just wanted to send you a friendly reminder that what you do really matters in the day-to-day. Even when no one sees it, it feels like it's so unappreciated and so mundane. Your family loves and appreciates you. They may not always say it in the day-to-day, but they really do. And I just wanted to give you a friendly reminder of that.
I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels, I love it.
As I finish up by folding this laundry, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. It really does mean the world to me that you guys support me by watching my videos. And I hope that it brought you a ton of cleaning motivation and inspiration just for your everyday life. If you did enjoy this video, please give this video a great big thumbs up. And please subscribe if you haven't already yet, girlfriend. I'll see you in the next one. And until next time, stay beautiful.
The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make